feel moody, tired, or just not yourself? It could be your hormones. In this very video, I will be sharing 5 common signs of hormonal imbalance that women face. And I will share tips on how to manage these very symptoms. Before we get into today's main video, someone may ask, what exactly is hormonal imbalance? Hormonal imbalance occurs when the body experiences too much or too little of the important hormone in the bloodstream. Now there are about 10 of them. By the sake of time, I will be explaining only 5 or 6. Okay, so let's take progesterone and estrogen. These are hormones that helps to regulate menstrual cycles, sexual development, and pregnancy. We also have insulin, which helps to regulate metabolic processes and also help the body to absorb glucose. We have cortisol, which is also known as the stress hormone. Now, this very hormone helps in increasing heart rate and energy levels. We also have the testosterone, which contributes to sex drive and facial hair growth. We have the prolactin, which helps in the production of breast milk and also the development of our breasts as women. So yeah, these are the very 6 hormones that I have for you. Let's move into the main video. Now, in this very video, we will be talking about 5 clear signs that shows that you are probably experiencing hormonal imbalance. 1. Irregular periods. Have you ever experienced days where you are late on your period and you are wondering if you are pregnant or probably something is going on? Or days where you don't even experience your menses at all? Or days where you do experience your menses alright, but then you bleed so heavy, the flow is so heavy, you change your pads more than 3 times in a day. I know that feels stressful. These things can be caused by stress from work or illness, or sometimes sudden weight gain or weight loss, or certain medications such as birth control pills. So you might be wondering, yeah, exactly. Probably your birth control pill is causing that irregular menses that you're experiencing, that leader that you have been taking. It's probably causing that. So 2. Fatigue. When under stress, the body releases cortisol, which provides a burst of energy to handle the situation. However, when you keep experiencing stress over and over again, it prompts the body to produce more cortisol levels in the body. As a result, this very process disrupts the normal cycle of cortisol production, causing fatigue. Now, these high levels of cortisol in the system can interfere with sleep patterns because it will suppress melatonin production and sleep hormone, further contributing to tiredness. You'll be feeling restless and then you'll be so stressed, more stress on top. So for example, let's say your body is a computer. Even when it comes to a computer, when you load it with too much information, it does what? It shuts down. On days when you overuse your phone, it does what? Goes off, low battery. Even machines know when to say no. So why can't you? Please don't overstress yourself and make sure that you schedule your time so much that you don't get too stressed. Now I know these days work and everything is stressful because everybody is after the money, but please do take care of yourself. Okay. Number 3, mood swings or anxiety. Hormonal fluctuations can significantly impact mental health by directly influencing brain chemistry, particularly serotonin and dopamine, which plays crucial role in regulating mood, leading to symptoms like irritability, depression, anxiety, or mood swings. especially noticeable during menstrual cycles, pregnancy, postpartum, and menopause, where hormone levels are experiencing significant changes. So you see how irritated you feel on days when you're on your period? Yes, this is the reason why. So guys, all the guys that are on my page today watching this very video, please learn something. Like, on days when your girlfriend or wife is feeling so irritated, the slightest thing should be shouting, and please, she's going through a lot. Like, there are a lot of hormones she's dealing with at that very time. So please do something nice for her, like buy her chocolate, massage her abdomen, pamper her, let her feel good, because we are going through a lot. Today I want to be the voice of the women, like on behalf of all the women. So please guys, do something nice for the ladies. Thank you. Number 4, weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Insulin resistance can lead to unexplained changes in the body because when cells become less responsive to insulin, blood sugar levels rises, causing a cascade of effects that can manifest as various seemingly unrelated symptoms like fatigue, unexplained weight gain, blurry vision, frequent urination, increased thirst, and sometimes changes in your skin. Number 5, skin changes. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly during puberty, pregnancy, and menopause, can significantly impact skin health by influencing oil production, causing acne breakouts in some cases, and decreased oil production resulting in dry skin due to changes in the levels of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Now, let's look at ways to balance these hormones. 1. Eat foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants to help keep your hormones in check. 2. Exercise regularly. This will help improve hormone health. 3. Get enough sleep. Get enough, like 8 hours sleep. And manage stress. This will help regulate your hormone. Please and please don't forget to consult a healthcare provider when symptoms persist or worsens. Thank you. Have you experienced any of these signs? Let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health advice. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.